Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Salim again with you guys. Previously, we created a video for DG Cyber Defense. Now we have another batch number 2, and we are talking about DG NSOS. DG NSOS is about Linux operating system. This is the batch 2. You might have seen the same faces. Some of are from batch 1, and the new guys are from batch 2, DG NSOS. The DG NSOS is about knowing the power of Linux operating system. So this course is actually, we gathered 3 things: the administration, Linux administration, the power of Linux to do the virtualization in cloud computing, and the third thing is the cybersecurity. This is the most in demand nowadays. So mashallah, all these guys are from professional, they are from different field. There is one, right now you just see the people, those are in Riyadh. And there are lots of people there online. They join us from different part of the world. And only in Riyadh, I think there are 2 more guys. They were not able to because they were traveling. So let's start with Mr. Samir. That how did he find the course? What is the most important thing out of this course, DG NSOS, that helped him, and also what attracted him? So he came and he enrolled himself. Yes, Mr. Samir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samir. I'm a software developer by trade, and my main interest in the DG NSOS was to learn about how to use Linux as an environment to host applications, to orchestrate, to make them flexible and scalable. And using this, not only did I learn that how Linux can be leveraged into this place, I also learned how the security vulnerabilities can be handled. Because it's not only focused on administrative areas, it's also helping us to understand how folders, how the system works, and how things are interlinked between each other, and how can you make them robust, how can you make them resilient against any kind of attacks and issues. So Alhamdulillah, I'm very thankful to the DG team. They've done a great job, and within a short span of time we had about almost 50 labs, which itself it's a huge feat. I hope we can live up to it and inshallah perform better in our areas. Jazakallah khair.
Yes, introduce yourself. And
I'm Mohammed Abdullah. I'm a recent graduate. DG NSOS had taught me a lot. We practiced around 50 different labs, which helped me gain confidence, and the hands-on experience that we learned here was unmatched. We deployed a lot of security devices, as well as we learned Metasploit and how to use it on Kali Linux, especially from a cybersecurity perspective. And now I'm able to understand how to exploit and carry out VPTs. Now.
okay, thank you, Abdullah. Yes, Mr.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ali Hazar, and thank you very much DGACADEMY for giving us this very important and live course, and trusting us to be part of this academy to learn something new. I must say, Linux is a world of opportunities for everybody who wants to learn about the virtualization, cybersecurity, or administration. He can get a lot of knowledge, he can upgrade his skill while he can do his job. He can be a student or whoever professional he is. He can still manage the time and study with DGACADEMY and get a new knowledge, new experience with our beautiful instructor, Mr. Salim. And he is truly by heart. He is feeding us like to level up our skill, so that we can compete in this fast changing and evolving world. So it's a great feat and great achievement from DGACADEMY, and we're proud of this institute and our instructor. And DGACADEMY, live up his name, protect your future. as given in the certificate. So we are inshallah, we will protect our future and will protect their future. Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Amjad. You've seen me before in a previous program, the DG Cybersecurity program. So now I have done the DG NSOS, and which after doing this, which make me to learn so many things about the cybersecurity, the security part, and the virtualization, the computing, and it helped me to how I can migrate from Windows to the Linux part, and how we can find the vulnerabilities and a lot of security stuff. So I really enjoyed this course, and the DG helped me a lot to learn a lot of things for the future, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asadullah, and I have taken the earlier course which was cybersecurity, and I have incorporated those experience into our organizations. And after having this NSOS, now we came to know that how we can shift our infrastructure from normal traditional Windows to the Linux, how we can have a perfect sizing, how we can have the reduce the cost, how we can properly and efficiently administration the systems, and also we can shift the infrastructure to the virtualization. So we are very thankful to the DG Academy which provide us this course in order to enhance the knowledge and for the new career path. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm Nabil. The course was brilliant, and the best part of the course was labs. And what we expected, we got more than that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nabil. So we had 43 students, and mostly are. Yeah, we have one guest. We have a guest.
So I'm interested in Linux. So that's why I came here. So I'm check the market. So DG Academy is actually offering the best environment and best price as well as. So that's why, inshallah, I'm the student of next batch, inshallah, and hope to see you soon, inshallah. Again, thank you.
Thank you very much. Are you ready for this? Okay, so we have people waiting online, and after inshallah completing this video, we will have a session on Zoom. So our online students, they can also join us, and we can take their feedback about this training program. DG Academy is always with you guys, committed to instill the skills in students and professionals. We want our students to boost their career. It's not about completing a training program and close this chapter. No, we offer free trainings also for our alumni. We offer also the utilization of our virtual resources, VMs, left, let's say, not the lifetime, but at least for a few more months, so they can keep working on their labs and hands-on labs. This is not like we are going to shut down their system. They can still practice, they can still come to us, they can have, let's say, different session on career guidance. They can come to us and they can discuss the project with us, and we will also help them in their next job available. DG Academy is here to help the people, to build the people, their skills, and helping them to enhance and boost their career from knowledge point of view, from financial point of view, from everything. Thank you very much for joining us, the second batch. Thank you. Now let me also introduce myself, Muhammad Salim again. As far as inshallah we are ready for the third batch, and we have one more training program called Threat Intelligence and Management, and we are ready for this. Come and join us for the third batch. Thank you.